Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Today we will learn how to increase our volume on Adobe Pro, or how to increase our volume, or how to increase our sound. So let's start. This is our image. Yes. So this is the sound. So now this sound, we want to increase it. So this is how you do it. You come here. Here first, the top here is the video. The down here is the volume or the noise. The top here is the volume. Top is video and down is the volume. So let's start. Here, to get it clear, unless you come here and drag the volume bar down. So this bar is the volume bar, or is the volume. This bar is the volume bar. This bar will help you to increase. So this bar that you use it to increase. So let's look at something. You hold the bar like this and drag it top. You see that it's moving. So now we have increased the volume. So let's see whether the volume has increased or not. So let's check. Now here you see the volume is up. So now when you want to reduce it, you click the bar and drag it down. So let's see whether the volume has increased. You see here, you don't see any volume bar here. It means you have reduced the volume. There's no sound. So we want to increase our sound again. You pause, and this bar, you raise it to where you want the volume to be, or how you want the volume is, or how you want the volume. Let's play it. See, so this is how you can increase your volume. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.